Today we are learning flannel stitch. This is another stitch I designed myself, then struggled to title. My husband called it flannel stitch when I hounded him for ideas, so that's what we're going with, but it really has nothing to do with flannel. Start with that base of trellis stitch we use so often, clean and evenly spaced. We're going to go over it with a third layer of crossing threads, so you really want to have some nice even squares between the stitches, not rectangles. Now we can add that third layer of thread, going over the cross points to form parallel diagonal stitches. But note here that we're only doing half the number of stitches as normal, so you should be skipping every other set of cross points. Using these open cross points we left behind, we'll now add some trellis couching, short stitches parallel to the diagonals we just placed. And finally, we can work back in the other direction, adding more trellis couching, but this time over the triple cross points and facing in the perpendicular direction. You could also utilize a diagonal path when couching this design, following the original ground threads and alternating the direction of your couching stitches as you go. Finding the cleanest path to follow when stitching laidwork, the one that will leave the least thread on the back, or the one you just personally fancy, adds an extra layer of interest to the stitching process. And there we have our flannel stitch. Don't forget to add that outline stitch if you'd like. And we're done!